Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We now got stage 5 of Build Kit from the Knightrider series. Okay, so we're on stage 5. There's not too much to do in this issue, but we are doing parts for the scanner, which is really exciting. So yeah, can't wait to do that. If you ain't picked this up yet, you can head on over to this link down here. I'll put it in the description down below. Head on over to fanhome.com. You can pick this up for yourself from issue 1. Okay, so let me show you what we're doing and the parts that we get. So have a look at that. That big long part there. We get like a circuit board there and a battery box. So let's move this to the side. Doesn't look like a lot of parts, but I believe we're actually doing quite a few steps. So this is everything we get down here. So the first thing we're going to do is assemble the steering wheel. We didn't do that in the last issue, which we could have done. I don't know why they didn't get us to do it, because we had all the parts that we needed. So this red part here, this little LED, I think it's the Knight logo, is going to go into the steering wheel. Then we can attach that onto the steering rod, 2 GM screws, and that's going to secure that all together. Then we're going to bring in our scanner, which is this part here that we made all the way back. I believe it was in issue 1, might have been issue 2. I believe, yeah, it might have been issue 2. Yeah, so yeah. Then we're going to bring in our scanner part, and we're going to attach the LEDs onto the back of that. So that's going to get secured onto there with 2 AP screws. Don't over tighten them now, because you don't want to crack your circuit board. Then we can put a cover over the top of that, secure that down. Then we're going to need 4 AAA batteries to put in this battery box. And then we're going to test, basically, all we're going to do is test them two. So that's going to get tested on there. Make sure the on button's on, and we can test the actual scanner. So I'm looking forward to that. So as you can see, there's not too much to do in this one, so it should be quite a quick video to do this one. We do actually do the scanner, and we get to see that working by the end of this video, so really excited to see that. So without further ado, let's get the parts open and start building. So starting off, we're going to need these 3 parts here. We're going to need our die-cast steering wheel, our steering rod, and this little part here. So this is going to get dropped down into here. So the flat edge goes towards the flat end of the steering wheel, just like so. Then we can take this. This is going to get plugged into the back of the steering wheel, just there. And then 2 GM screws in there. So I'm going to get these screws in. I don't know why it didn't ask us to do this in the last issue, because we got all of these parts and the screws with the last issue. So I'm a bit puzzled by that, why they told us not to assemble it until this stage. Maybe because it's not a lot to do in this stage, so they wanted to carry something over. There we are. That is our steering wheel all done. So now we're going to have to bring back our scanner part that we had all the way back a few issues ago. So we're going to be working on the back here. We're going to need this little strip with the LEDs in it. So this is going to get plugged onto here. Now this doesn't bend. This says it bends. I do not want to snap that. So this is this way round, and this is supposed to be on there. So we're going to have to bend it, because this is flat. Not too keen on that, but we're going to put 2 AP screws in through these 2 holes here. So fingers crossed, doesn't snap. So if it snaps, I'm going to make my own one anyway. So let's give it a go. There's a lot of people out there not being too keen on putting this in. Do not go too tight with this. Just loosely putting that one on. Let's put the second one on. Is that on there? I'm not going any tighter than that for the time being. We are going to be putting this cover on, which is going to go over the top, and that's going to bend it anyway, so you may as well go a little bit tighter. So let's get this one on. And 2 BP screws, 1 in each side. So let's get the first one in. This one's going this side, just that. One the other side where the wire is, just down here. There we are. That is that on there. I may go a little bit tighter in the middle. think it can take it. That side and that side. I'm not going to go any tighter than that. I don't want to snap the circuit board. So that is that. So the only thing left to do is to bring in this little tester box part. I don't know if this is the actual battery box that we're going to be using with it, but yeah, we're going to be using this. This has got a C on it, but we're going to be testing this anyway. Alright, so I had to scramble around to try and find some batteries. Did find some, so let's get these in. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are AAA batteries. So we're going to plug these two together. So this is going down into here. Plug that in just like so. So when we turn this light on, we should have a scanner on there. Have a look at that. Let me turn the light off so you can see that better. Have a look at that. Ain't that awesome? So let's turn this light out as well. You might be able to see it a little bit better. Hey, yeah, that is cool. So that is our scanner all done. Look at that. That is awesome. And we do not use this part in this issue. So there you are, guys. That is stage 5 all complete. I've got it sat behind me just going away, and look at that. That is awesome. Really, really happy with that. I was a bit nervous about the circuit board because it was a flat circuit board, having to bend it in to get it in the gap. But yeah, it went in alright, it went fine. So I was worrying about nothing really. But yeah, just do not over tighten them screws because you do not want to crack that circuit board. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.